Sugarcane sugar syrup production line equipment is according to the relevant provisions of white sugar to add a certain proportion of water, white sugar through heating to accelerate the melting of white sugar into a liquid so as to make sugar syrup. Sugar syrup making machine can be based on the number of melting equipment to determine the daily processing syrup production. The process of sugar melting syrup usually includes the following steps. E. Sugar transport. White sugar and water are transported to the sugar melting equipment. Heat pour the sugar and water into the melting device and accelerate the melting speed of the sugar by heating while constantly stirring until the sugar is completely melted. Cooling. The temperature of the melted syrup is too high, and the temperature of the syrup needs to be reduced to close to normal temperature by cooling treatment. Filtration. The cooling syrup needs to filter out the impurities of the syrup and purify the syrup. Storage. The syrup is transported to the storage container and then